This is the hardest thing in the world to do with one hand. Hey guys, what is up? It's Jamie, Farnsworthy Vending. I'm getting super excited. We're headed up to the airport today, and we're gonna go check that out. I do know that it's probably gonna be a little bit smaller of a collection. I've been looking at everyone around me who's doing their January collections, and they all seem to be really bad. But honestly, I don't really care. I like doing this. It's a lot of fun. Alright guys, let's roll right into this. Alright, so this is row 1. Lay's never sell. Doritos have actually sold quite a bit. We sold a single barbecue. Really not selling any Funyuns. And then the originals have sold quite a few. Here's row 2. We got the Cheetos. We've sold quite a few of them. Not as many over here. You know, I'm surprised the Doritos aren't selling better. These were completely full, so those did pretty good. I can't even remember what was here, but it's completely gone, obviously. Alright. Alright, and here is the third row. We got some half-ounce. These are probably going to go. We're going to get rid of those. But then we got the Welch's over here. And surprisingly, strawberry is not doing that good. Everything else seems to be flying through, though. Doing pretty solid everywhere else. Alright, let's get a count. This snack row is like hammered. Bought a whole bunch of stuff out of this row. I'm pretty sure I had like Snickers and stuff over there. Alright, on this drawer you can see where I started to fill certain items. I'm going to start filling them pretty good anyways. But we've got a pretty good hammer down on a few of these. And it looks like... Actually, I think I only had 2 of those in there, so they haven't really sold anything. But we'll get this all counted up and moving along. We've made some serious sales on ramen. Pretty happy about that. And we've got everything else moving pretty good. The Famous Amos doesn't do very well here, but we'll count everything up and get it moving. Alright, so we've got all that done. I'm going to check and see if we have any more paperwork we got to do. And then we'll actually be able to collect, which will be nice. So I've talked about these before, but I just wanted to reiterate. Take a dollar bill. This is a bill validator cleaner. and you just you take the bill and you put it on top of the bill validator cleaner and run it through. We'll show you that real quick. I don't know if you can see it, but that picked up a whole bunch of grossness, and that keeps me from having to maintenance things. Alright, let's check it out, see what we got. This is the hardest thing in the world to do with one hand. It's pretty decent. Alright, now we're done, and we're headed back out. I made sure that I was careful with the money. So from there, I went straight over to the bank, hit the coin star so we don't have to go through and count a whole bunch of coins. Came back and counted everything up on the table for you guys. So I have some people asking why I don't have a bill. I have a person, I think it is, asking why I don't have a bill counter. Realistically, it's literally just for YouTube. If you guys don't want me to count the money out on camera, I really don't have to. I usually count it up real quick and have the bank teller take care of the rest. But leave me a comment below. Let me know if you guys actually want the money counting clips in there. If you don't, I'll pull them out. Alright guys, let's check it out. Alright guys, so here's the airport's bag. We're going to go ahead and count everything up. Wasn't quite as much as I was hoping, but it's still a pretty good pull, so I'm happy with it regardless. It's money. Okay, so the coin was $13.80. And let's see if we cracked 100. That's 50. I think we got less than 100 here. Alright guys, so with everything said and done, we have $87.80 with the cash and with the coins. So that's actually a pretty rough 4 weeks. That's really, really bad. I might consider moving that machine somewhere else, but it's hard because I want to keep all the smaller locations for now, because I've been building myself on the fact that I'll take accounts that my competition won't. So I don't want to alienate them, you know, but maybe it's time to think about maybe pushing it to 2 months even. Nah, I can't push it that long. But alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Jamie, Farnsworthy Vending, out. Remember to love life and live your dreams. Be Farnsworthy. Peace.